little jungle thing. It's like, looks like it's like, I don't know, it's kind of interesting. Like this is basically in the city, right? So if you take a look over here, you got these tall apartments everywhere. So those massively tall apartments all the way that way, definitely that way as well. But then you go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. But then you have like, oh, there's a helmet right there too, the park. But it's kind of cool. So somebody has access to something that's like right. Anyways. So yeah, you have like these little alleys in here. And then you have this. And then you have this. I'm just gonna walk down and see what this is all about. So yeah, these are like little makeshift places. So it's all so yeah, it's pretty interesting. So cool. So I don't know what this is either. I don't know what all this stuff is. This is this little alley of like this rusted tin. Now we get more of it over here. It's amazing. And you got that backdrop too. So is it just abandoned? I think it's just abandoned. It's a kind of warehouse-ish kind of thing. Wow. This kind of rusted tin and a little alley. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of amazing. Then you get to the other side and it's just more of the rusted tin look up there, right? Huh. It's pretty cool looking though. Let's just step back a little bit. Yeah, you got kind of like, it's just like completely makeshift, that whole thing. But then around it you have all these tall buildings everywhere. I don't know how that happens. It's so cool. Now we're back. Kind of this forgotten part of Macau. Okay, so I guess these ones are connected with this stuff, so I don't know if those are like caretakers, like maybe they hire somebody or they just make some makeshift thing and then somebody can just watch over it at nighttime, I guess, so nobody comes in and steals stuff. I'm not really sure 100% how that works. Anyways, we're gonna come around it a little bit. There's even a little shrine here too. This is the location that we're at. If you want to look it up on the map, you can. Let's see. I guess he's cleaning. And I guess we close it right here. Beautiful. We got all these tall buildings everywhere too, right? And then we close it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.